Addendum to the following riddle of the glaciers. The September Arctic Ocean's ice cover, albedo, loss will occur sometime after 2022, not in 2022, it does grow closer, faster each year.
I will come back to this. The riddle to the glaciers, pondered by Scandinavian alpine mountaineers in the 1790s, from where do glaciers arise and why do they melt? So, how come Earth has glaciers? Earth's slow, orbital changes control the growth and decay of ice sheets, glaciers, albedo. Earth moves around the Sun in a circle. Then it swings into an orbital ellipsis as gravity pulls at it. The Moon, Jupiter, and other planetary bodies took part in this tug-of-war since the beginning of our solar system. By necessity, then, Earth's orbit changes from circular to elliptical and back. Meanwhile, ice ages come and go as more and less solar energy warms Earth. Less solar energy means more glaciers grow, more solar energy means glaciers shrink. So the far side of an elliptical swing around the Sun normally induces ice ages, glacier growth. Normal no longer applies to the Earth's ice ages because humanity increased its greenhouse insulation by increasing atmospheric CO2 density. Earth must now grow warmer instead of cooler. We altered the Earth's climate for thousands of years by chance and necessity. By chance, we happened upon a powerful fossil resource containing immense power. Machine power then replaced both human and animal labor. By necessity, the power of physics and chemistry, freeing fossil resources unleashed a threat to civilization as we know it, and more. We condemned our progeny to an unknown, uncontrollable future, a Faustian-like bargain? Consequently, we may not see a renewal of Earth's glaciers for thousands of years. Without reducing atmospheric CO2, glaciation is not likely to recur and we need albedo desperately. Even if we had glacier seeds to grow glaciers, they would melt. Even 1,000 years without glaciation would create great hardship for as many as 33 human generations. The absence of glacier albedo means more warming, not cooling. Easily, by ignoring humanity's role in ramping up global warming, we behave inhumanely. The odds are that we've destroyed the conditions for civilization as we know it, it would seem. We must at least consider that 15 to 20% of the total amount of CO2 added into the atmosphere remains for thousands of years. At present and most certainly, quote, the next glaciation is not imminent, it is overdue. Unquote. Rudiman, William F. Plows, Plagues and Petroleum, p. 105. Princeton University Press. Kindle edition. Now, proof of the gradual growth and decay of ice sheets came in the 1970s. Climate science took a big step forward as a result. With the dreaded Arctic Blue Ocean event, BO, likely by 2022 or sooner, there will be complete September sea ice loss and very large warming spikes, further exposing Greenland to accelerated, crippling ice loss. Consequently, inevitably, this growing feedback loop between melting sea ice and warming Arctic water must continue to grow, and rapidly so each summer, until the next ice age and growth of glaciers.